see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
That is my hand, and this is chicken spring rolls. Hey, Mom.
You're welcome. Okay, blow the candle.
What you got, Baba, from Daddy?
Mom, look.
A new one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Is that your birthday present, Kuya?
Hello, Zach. What number?
Look.
Wow.
Look.
9, 10.
Dito na sila.
That's mine.
Is that your birthday present, Kuya?
Yeah.
Mm.
And
Who's that, Kuya TJ?
yeah.
That just won't belong to be Zach.
Ah.
Yeah, but
No,
Wow.
Dad, what about my baggie?
Birthday. When is your birthday?
Tomorrow.
that one,
Yes.
we had it on,
Yeah.
and then we got in and that was in there, so
Sino? Bawal yan sa akin. Hindi ko pinapainom kaya tingnan
No, that one.
tuwan-tuwa siya.
Zach ripped it today.
What?
3 beautiful drives in a row.
Did you?
Nah.
Yay! Good job! Ayan, birthday present ng daddy niya, oh. Flawless, yes! Ito yung favorite na golf shop ni John, Drummond Golf. Dito niya rin binibilan yung mga bata. Si Kuya, ito na yung gift niya for his birthday tomorrow. Kuya's birthday
Zach, what are
tomorrow.
you doing?
Kuya, that's your balloon as well, Kuya.
Oh.
That's alright.
This smells good.
Wow. Well, yeah. The detergent.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like this, huh? Look. Naglalaro sila.
Got this. No, have this. Have this whole thing. Have this. Has to some money for me. No! Not. Nothing. I'm a sister. What? I got you there for ya!
Nilalaro din nila si Holly.
Holly. But my dad.
Bibili si Kuya ng cupcake.
Yeah. No. Have this one. Very nice.
Ang cute lang.
Kuya, money pay?
Ang cute nila.
Pink one. You done. Bye.
Kuya, you're supposed to pay Holly.
No, I need to pay it for.
Baliktad.
Money, please.
Tapusin ko na yung ini-edit ko dun. Bye.
How much pay was it?
Dito tita niya. Pink birthday, Uncle Jace.
Wow.
And then a half.
Ibibigay yung regalo sa kanya.
Who's that? What's her name?
Bonnie Rose. That's in the box. It says Bonnie Rose. Hoy.
How was golf club?
Oh, how's golf, Dad?
He done good today.
Did he?
Yeah.
Alright, you
I'll
take.
hardly hit any balls today.
Yeah, you don't like it. Have you Mentos, Bubba? It's been raining here all day.
Yeah.
Yeah, yesterday. Ooh. Ayan kay Kuya. Bukas ang birthday ni Kuya eh.
We sort of got
Open the card. Open the card.
Open your card.
Yeah, Lego.
Let me see, Kuya. You have to put it in the Ziploc, okay?
in Adelaide.
Ooh, what's that?
Dad, I get Lego.
Oh,
What's that, Baba?
6, 7, I can build that.
What's that?
Elsa.
Elsa. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Baba? Did you say thank you? Oh. Did you say thank you to Auntie Mel? Look at how excited. Ah.
Oh, this is special
Oh.
because this is from Auntie Mel and Uncle Jack.
Oh, so yeah.
This is about
Huh?
It's got her name.
a little girl that lives in.
Si Holly nandito sa sa story na to.
Kuya, ang gabos.
Hoy, listen to Tita Mel. Auntie Mel.
Gabos.
Your name is in here, Baba.
Look, it's got your name and it's got your friend Sophie. Oh, I can't.
Oh,
Your friend Sophie, Hunter, and Rylan.
oh, that's... Oh.
I didn't put brothers.
You don't have a
He didn't put TJ and Zach. Oh, wala si TJ at saka si Zach dito. Ang cute. Is it online? Online? Yeah, online. Pwede kasi paggawa sa online. So, nandito yung pangalan ni Holly. So, Holly, this is very special. So, ito si Sophie. Friend niya, si Hunter, at saka si Rylan, kasi niya. Ayan si Holly. Wow, Holly. Itago ko to. Unicorn. You say thank you to Auntie Mel and Uncle Jace? Oy, kiss. Oy, kiss Auntie Mel.
Kiss Baba, hurry up.
Baba, kiss Auntie Mel.
Hey?
You say thank you? Baba.
Who's this?
That's me.
Is that Holly?
You say thank you, Baba?
Is that Holly? Oh, Elsa.
Ayun si Kuya. Oh, Nerf. Be careful.
That's how you change the cartridges. now.
And Kuya, all the bullets again, ha? Bullets again everywhere.
No license to you.
Yeah, license.
Brad's getting his.
What's this?
I said, TJ,
Miracle.
this is his as well, Auntie Mal, the pink balloons for tomorrow because tomorrow is birthday.
Would have been a lot longer.
Wow, long birthday, Baba.
There you are.
Give me your Barbie. Let me see Barbie, Baba.
You wouldn't just spend it in past
I like this. From Auntie Mel and Uncle
I'm
Jace.
still waiting on one thing.
Yan, pinapili sila na.
I'll share 'em.
Nauna si Holly pumili ng Skittles.
Doesn't matter.
Zach, it's not your birthday.
That's okay, isn't it? That's for you, Zachy. Zach, it was one for you.
It's one for you, Zach.
There's one bag for you, too, love. You share it with the others.
Yeah, you have to share. No, you have to share.
Share.
Why do you take this off?
Honey, be careful.
It's
It's
for
not working.
Oh, it works. Honey, honey. Honey.
Let go.
Yes, careful.
Don't
What?
do headshots.
you should do one, Mel.
Did I?
Here.
That was good.
Thingo's got one.
Who? Who's got one?
Thingo's.
Honey.
Thingo's.
Joe. Son, what's his name?
No, it's not yours.
That's not yours, Baba. This is yours.
Where'd that other one go?
I'll spray.
Ina-assemble na ni Kuya yung kanyang
Remember we did that
Lego.
for
Gift from Auntie Mel. Ito yung ginagawa niya. Oh.
You on leg cruise.
Spider-Man.
What's that one?
Spiderman's head.
Yeah.
And ito yung mga ziplock. Ito yung sa IKEA na nabili ko.
Series Land Cruiser Owners.
And ito insert yung Barbie ang laro. Yung Nerf ni Kuya ang
So it's that.
nilalaro. Ano? Ayan. Bullets. Malis na pala yung kapatid ni John.
I
And
can do it, but I struggle.
yeah. Napagod na si Kuya. Pero maraming nakuhaan. Maraming nagawa si Kuya. Ayan. Kumain na siya ng chicken. Ayan. Meron na siyang nagawa dito. To the rescue na si Daddy.
Rescue is right here.
How many bags was this, Kuya? 3?
There's 3 bags.
Yeah.
That one's the
May
last
isa pang bag.
The last
This and this one.
Here.
And ako nagluluto ng dinner. Baba! Your birthday is over, Baba.
My birthday tomorrow.
Yes. Kuya's birthday tomorrow. What?
Your birthday was yesterday, Molly.
Yes. And Kuya's tomorrow.
Not next week.
No, tomorrow.
Yeah, next week.
And nag-edit din ako. And nagluluto ako. O, diba? Dito sila.
But when you get up,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya TJ. It's Kuya's turn. Happy birthday, Kuya. Baba, sing for Kuya TJ. Happy birthday.
that one is not this.
Baba.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Kuya ho. Kada kuya oh. Happy birthday, kuya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. You're 8 now. Yeah, sure.
Not.
He doesn't like pink.
It's alright.
I like pink. Do you like
Yes, I know you do, Baba.
She like blue. Kuya like green. No, Mom like
Green and blue.
I like blue. I want dark blue and green. I'm red. I like blue. And I like pink.
Yes.
I hate pink. I'll pop one. Don't.
Your birthday's finished. What do you want me to cook, kuya?
Huh?
What do you want me to cook for your birthday?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Yan ang request ni Kuya, spaghetti.
And took's mine.
Your birthday's finished. Hatid niya na yung mga bata sa school.
Yeah.
See you, kuya. Happy birthday.
Hold on, Baba. Stay down.
Good afternoon. Dito kami sa Big W. No. You're done, Baba. Dito kami sa Big W kasi hinahanapan ko si Kuya ng regalo kasi today is Kuya TJ's birthday. Today is September 23 and yes, birthday ni Kuya. And nahihilig si Kuya sa Lego. Binigyan siya kahapon ng tita niya and gustong-gusto niya yung Lego. So sabi ko, bilhan ko naman siya. Yung regalo ko naman sa kanya. Kasi si daddy niya, binilhan na siya sa, sa Adelaide ng regalo. So, hanapan ko muna si Kuya ng regalo.
Take away what's left of me. Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we.
Ito yung binigay ng tita niya sa kanya, oh. Tapos meron pa yung Nerf na gun.
My bubble.
Yes, you get your pink bubbles. Hindi ko alam kung pipiliin ko kay Kuya. Ang dami. Ang dami ditong pagpipilian. Ito na lang yung kunin ko kay Kuya. Kasi mahilig din siya sa Batman eh. So, ayan.
Like button.
Yes. Ito yung una ko nakuha bago yung toy ni Kuya. Kasi madadaanan mo siya papunta dun sa mga toys. Ito siya guys. Ang laman niya na ito yung chunky knitted stool. Ayan o, maganda siya o. Naakit ako nung nakita ko. Kinuha ko yung isang, yung isang box kasi dalawa na lang yata to. Ito yung isa, yung display, tsaka yung isa. And $49 siya. Hindi ko lang kung ilalagay ko siya sa kwarto ni Holly or sa kwarto ko. Pag-isipan ko, pero ayan, kumuha tayo. Tara, Holly. Ang plano lang naman talaga, bumili na ang laruan ni Kuya.
Bubble.
Yeah, yan, hindi rin yung plano. And kuha rin ako ng itong box. Kasi magdi-declutter na naman ako. Kailangan ko ng malalagyan. Baba. Get off. Off. Baba. Off. Kumuha ko ng dalawang storage container. Ang plano talaga ay bumili lang ng laruan ni Kuya tsaka cake. Ngayon, dito ako sa party store. Ito, kuha ko ng balloons kasi si Kuya 8 years old today. So, ito meron siya nakalagay na 8. Wala na kasi sila na lahat lang blue na 8. 9 na lang ang meron tsaka 5. And, yes, we'll get this one. Kasi bumigay na yung pump ko nung isang araw. Nung pinampo yung mga balloons ni Holly. Akin na yan, Baba. Uy, at saka maingay yun. So, itry ko to. Baka hindi to maingay. Baba, put it here. Okay, tara. Candles. Ito, meron number 8 na candle. Para kay Kuya. Okay, put it there, Baba. Dito kami sa Woolies kasi bilhan natin si Kuya ng cake ng katulad kay Holly. Nagtanong ako dun sa sa bakery kung pwedeng papalitan yung yung topper kasi yung topper ang ingay ng bata. Kasi yung topper na nakalagay is white. Wala na raw silang blue. Ang available na lang daw ay pink. Last time nung binilang ko si Holly, blue yun. Tapos pina-change ko ng pink. So ngayon wala. Pero nakabili naman ako na blue candle. So yun na lang. Come on, Baba. And bumili rin ako ng eggs. No, the candles, eto. Hawak ni Holly yung kandila. Hawak ni Holly yung kandila. Hawak ni Holly yung candles. And bili ako ng kuha na rin ako ng kasi wala na kaming apples. Tapos yung ibang kulang sa bahay. Kasi mag-grocery pa ako sa Thursday. Today's Monday. Andito na rin naman ako. Kuha na rin ako ng ibang wala na sa bahay. Kuha ako nito kasi paubos na yung sa kanila. Tayo ng Oreo. Dito sa Woolies, maraming muna strawberries. Sa Coles, wala ako nakita siguro ilang buwan na ako hindi nakakabili ng strawberries doon kasi wala sila. And wala rin silang muna chocolate. Minsan meron. Pero dito sa Woolies, marami sila. So, kuha na ako dito.
Mom!
Yes.
Why did I do like this?
Ha?
This one right here.
Yeah, no, we don't need that. Tapos na kami dito sa Woolies. And ayan na yung mga napamili ko. And bayad na tayo. Punta naman kami sa Filipino store.